You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the capital city of the Netherlands in Dutch and how you can easily say it in English, because I often hear still people mispronouncing it. So let's go through. The Dutch pronunciation, original pronunciation, is as Amsterdam. So it's an R, but it's almost like an O. Amsterdam. The stress is a little bit on the dam syllable. Not so much, it's not Amsterdam, but a little bit in Dutch. Amsterdam. Now, in English, it's usually pronounced quite similarly as Amsterdam. Yeah, Amster, as in a hamster. Amster, but without the H. Amsterdam. Amsterdam. Now, the American pronunciation is more as Amsterdam. But, you know, Amsterdam. English pronunciation, Dutch pronunciation, how to pronounce Amsterdam. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.